What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now this is just going to be a quick unboxing and first look before we get into obviously reviews and stuff like that, which are going to be coming in the next couple of weeks or so. So the unboxing knife has made a return. Let's flip it out and let's get this unboxed. Pretty straightforward, and there we go. There they are. AirPods 2 or AirPods S, whatever you want to call them. I know you've probably seen a lot of posts on social media right now about how these should just be AirPods S. I went for the ones with the wireless charging case, as you can see on the box, and from the back there with the little light on it. So let's unbox these and let's see what the difference is really between them and the older ones. So the unboxing knife comes into play once again. Let's cut this. And there we go. Okay, so from the original packaging not much has changed apart from obviously on the top of the box here it says AirPods wireless charging case. Should be AirPods with wireless charging case. Yeah, on the bottom there, AirPods with wireless charging case. Let's take them out. Okay, so you're greeted with your normal stuff on the top. Designed by Apple in California. This is just your normal booklets and stuff like that on the AirPods. So there's them, we don't need them obviously. And then there we go. There's the new AirPods. So let's do this together. You know what, even though it's not a phone, something so odd and satisfying about taking products out like that, isn't it? There's just something about it. Let's place the box to one side. That's not going to be neat. Not much has changed around. There's the button on the back. And then popping them open, there's the new AirPods. As you can see, the light flashing on the front. So let's just close them a minute. And let's just take out the original AirPods. These are actually in my silicone case. Okay, so they're the originals and there's the new ones. So there's the difference in the wireless charging case. Don't mind the silver bit on the top, that was just a wrap, that just never happened for me. Button placement is actually in the middle and not at the bottom now. It still says designed by Apple in California and assembled in China. And obviously the only difference is when you close them now, you haven't got the light inside, the light's on the front. Obviously with them you can't see the charging, and with them you can. But obviously you're going to be able to buy the wireless charging case separately as well for charging the original AirPods. So if we put them to one side and take out the new AirPod, let's just see the difference. Okay, so not much has changed around front, not much has changed around the back neither by the looks of things, and not much has changed on the bottom of the AirPod neither. So there's no real difference or change that you can actually physically see. But now let me jump in and let's check out the sound test. Okay, so first of all let's go for the Apple AirPods 1. So when you open them up they connect straight away, however there is a bit of a lag there. Now let's pop them in and let's see what these sound like first before we check out the latest ones to see what the difference is, see if there's any real difference. Okay, so I'm only going to play this half volume, as you can see, half volume. Click play. Okay, so let's disconnect these now and let's check out the new ones. Let's see what they sound like. So I think to connect you push the back, obviously scans for Bluetooth and stuff like that. AirPods, Paul's AirPods. So right, okay, so that's pretty quick. So let me just take that off, let me just show you once you pop it open. It's still a little bit laggy. It could be due to the phone, though it could be due to the software, I'm not too sure. Let's pop these in. There's that noise that we're used to, and let's carry on with the same song, as you can see. Right, okay, so the sound difference between these and the originals, these sound a bit more crisper and they've got a little bit more punch in the bass. So that's the difference really in the new AirPods. But guys, make sure you stay tuned. There's a video coming. It's like a versus video between these and the Galaxy Buds. There's a review coming on these after I've had them for a good week or so. Then I'll do a review I'm not going to do one straight away, obviously, because what's the point? You know, I could just turn around and go, yeah, these are great, buy these, but I'm not going to do that. If you want a pair of these, they're out now to order on the Apple website. This has been AirPods 2. Thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this, please consider dropping a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Make sure you subscribe for plenty more videos still to come on the channel. There's lots to come. There's lots more headphone videos as well. I have actually got the Sony WH-1000 Mark III's video coming with them very soon. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all in the next one. Take it easy.